0.2. Monthly salary of a person is rupees 15,000. The central angle of the sector representing his expenses on food and house rent on a pie chart is 120 degrees. The amount he spends on food and house rent is, here firstly, what is a pie chart? See, this is a pie chart. Pie chart means a circle is divided into various sections, and in our problem the full circle is his salary 15,000, and this angle of 120 degrees is his expenses on food and rent, right? So if this full circle 360 degrees is 15,000, what is this 120 degrees then? That is the meaning. So it's in direct proportion. Why? As degrees decrease, so the amount will also decrease, right? That's why direct. So 120 into 15,000 upon 360 divided, and you will get 5,000. So his spend is rupees